Hey, it's Jessica Goose here with RealAgriculture.com. We are at AgSmart out in Olds, Alberta, and joining me right now is James Benkie, who is the Dean of Ag Tech. James, how are you doing today?
I'm well, and yourself?
I am doing quite well,
Great.
thank you. It is a great turnout today for the inaugural event, and what we're going to talk about today is precision ag and the programs that are offered here at Olds College. Now, as some of you may or may not know, the release was written up on our website, RealAgriculture.com, a couple months ago in regards to the Precision Ag Tech diploma, and enrollment is just about to open up. So maybe you talk to me about the date as well as what the program offers.
Certainly, yeah, absolutely. I will reiterate, yeah, the day's been great here. First day open at AgSmart, so we're really happy about the turnout. The programs that we're developing open for application October 1st of this year, so October 1st, 2019. And really, I think they're being in development for the enhancement of our current program suite. We have a lot of great programs as it sits today, but we felt it was really important to continue to enhance that portfolio and work towards different types of programs that continue to be aligned with the industry and the needs of the industry. So we've got a 2-year diploma in precision agriculture, and we've also been approved for a post-diploma certificate in agriculture technology integration. So those are kind of a mouthful, but the reality is they're exciting, and we're really looking at this differently, not only for the students and the student experience side, but also aligned heavily with industry and the skill sets and the needs that they're asking for, and what we can see into the near future for sure. So a lot of exciting times here.
Yeah. And now I am definitely one person that gets excited about precision ag. If I were to take this diploma program, what type of job would it get me, or what type of field would I be able to kind of stream to from this?
Absolutely, I think it's a great question. The reality of it is I think it actually opens up what the current service industry and even the current primary production farmers could enter. I think it opens up even further into that. The types of learning and the types of curriculum that the students are going to be learning is they're going to be trained to think in different ways. But I think that one of the biggest components of that is they would be enter current service jobs and current service in precision ag, not only with machinery dealerships, but also from software and service companies that are dealing with precision agriculture, because the students will have the conceptual knowledge plus the hands-on integration with the smart farm here. So I think they're going to be more productive. But I also believe if they're going to head back to the farm or the farm business, they will be a power user. I think it'll probably help them make a lot more sense of the tools they've probably been growing up with, to help put them more into practice and probably add more value to that concept, and then also bring in, adopt, and integrate further technology into some of those farming practices. So I would say the window is a lot wider with these students that are coming through that precision ag diploma, backed with just a tremendous integration with Smart Farm and the industry integration that we're having with them. So it's an exciting program.
No kidding. And I mean, you did mention it there. How integral is the Smart Farm, not only for Olds College but also for the Ag Tech program? So we learned today that the federal government did invest over $1.9 million into the second phase, the development for the Smart Farm. Could you really do the program without it? I feel like it's really that step forward to the future of what precision ag will be and how students can learn.
I think it's crucial in my opinion, and I think it's a differentiator in a lot of senses with respect to that. And I think from a student experience component, I think it's second to none. I believe that if we don't have those hands-on components, students don't have the opportunity to make mistakes, and there's a tremendous amount of learning that comes from making mistakes, being involved in that, being involved in different types of conversations, and then also having the industry component to support that. So could we run the program without it? Sure. But would the student, yeah, a little tricky, but would the students be able to get the experience they need to be more productive when they enter the real workforce? I don't think it's possible. So it enables us to ensure that the programming and the curriculum and the learnings is real, because we can demonstrate that on the farm to ensure that they're learning it in the classroom, as opposed to necessarily focusing on maybe more traditional practices. We can really lead that part of it, which is when you look at leading producers, that's where they're at, right? And we need to meet that need and exceed it, in fact, moving forward. So I don't think we could do that without the Smart Farm.
Now,
Or
lastly,
our industry partners.
or
sorry.
industry
Yeah.
partners, exactly, right? That help with that. Lastly, here, what are we seeing as far as the future goes? Obviously, precision ag is the big one. Like I said before, I am really excited to see what all precision ag will mean and will turn out to be. But what else is Old College maybe looking at to implement within their programs?
Yeah, I think you'll see continued. What's the best way to put it? You'll see continued evolvement of our programs. I believe the new precision agriculture diploma, they have to change because our industry changes. So I expect that program to iterate as we move along, and it'll be driven by the demand from industry and that. So I think you're going to see continued evolution within those programs to continue to align and meet the industry needs. But I also believe the word digital continues to come to mind. It's been around for a long time. I think people have definitions of that, and I think agriculture is something we always do. Agriculture today versus agriculture tomorrow versus agriculture in the future. So when you marry those two words, digital agriculture, I think that's something that that you're going to see us start to focus on a lot more. I would like to continue to see us as we collect data. I'd like to really test the waters around digital agriculture within a digital twin environment, using virtual reality and augmented and mixed reality. So we can create student experience even more and enhance function. But you wouldn't be able to do that without technology, and you wouldn't be able to do that without the digitization of agriculture. So that would be a quick snapshot into what we think we might be coming down the pipeline.
Yeah, so stay tuned for sure. I know I am very excited and keen. I love, like I said, the precision ag and digital, just hearing that mesh together and come as one, especially with agriculture, will be interesting for sure. So we'll be sure to stay in touch with you guys here at Olds College. Thank you so much for your time, James. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.